outside. Oh yeah, we're getting some snow now. I tell you. Hey, Emmy. She's gonna go rub herself on the fence. We've probably got 6 inches of snow already, and it hasn't. The worst part hasn't started yet. Hi, Emma. Hey, Gino. Where's Hannah? Hannah. You're so silly. You're so silly. Gino, I'm gonna have to get that snow off of you. Oh, there's Hannah.
Oh, she's underneath?
She's underneath the ramp.
Okay.
See if I can get a picture of her.
She's already peed.
Yeah. Aw. Hi, honey. Hi, Hannah. Hi, Hannah. You want to go in? You want to go in? I think Talia wants to go in, too.
Okay. Okay, Talia. Come on, sweetie. Hannah, you want to go in?
Hannah.
Hannah, come on. Come on, honey. Come
There,
on.
there she's.
Come on. She's
Come on,
scared
Hannah.
of the shovel. Come on.
Come here, honey. Come here, Hannah. Come here, sweetheart. There she goes.
Come on, Hannah.
Let me get over there.
Come on. She's coming now.
Oh, okay. There she is. There she is.
You want to go in or you want to...
Oh, God.
You want to stay
If he
out?
goes in, I gotta go in and
I
wipe
know,
him down.
I know.
Hi.
Well, you know, has Emma done anything?
I think so. She went over there. I wasn't paying attention.
Yeah, she's rubbing herself on the car.
That's okay.
Well, if you want to go in, that's fine. I just...
Look at this little. I have a white dog.
Mm-hmm.
Well, maybe I should take everybody in. Emma, you ready to go inside?
Don't eat the yellow snow.
No,
Yeah.
not eating the yellow snow. You ready to go inside, Emma?
She's maybe going to need some encouragement.
Rubbing it on the car. Oh, there we go.
Yeah. Oh,
Puppy's in the snow. Puppy's in the snow. What you doing, Gino? Yeah, let's clean off her ramp. She's over there. Rubbing her. Oh God, this is at least 6 inches and it hasn't even begun to get bad yet. Hi, Gino. Great, I go one way, you go another way. Emma, you ready to go indoors, honey? You ready to come in? I'm gonna ruin this camera and I don't want to do that.